Temu is one of the biggest websites online right now, and people are making money on this website every single day. And I want to show you how to make money on Temu. As you can see, Temu came out in around about 2022, and it's absolutely skyrocketed in Google Trends because it's making people insane amounts of money, and it's now one of the biggest platforms online for people to buy products from. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you step by step how you can make money with Temu, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to do. Now, my partner, she actually makes money with Temu every single day. She has been for some time now. So I'm going to show you how to make money with it right now. But before we do that, guys, I'm still giving away access to my courses. What you need to do is smash that like button, find the emoji in this video, comment below what that emoji is, and you could potentially win a chance to get access to every single one of my products. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you how to make money with Temu right now. Let's get started. All right, guys, so if you don't know what Temu is, this is Temu right here. They have a website and they have an application that you can use on your phone, and you can buy all sorts of products from this website. And as you can see, they have a massive amount of traffic. This one product right here has sold over 100,000, and they have 49,000 reviews just on this one product. And this one here has 8,000 views. And as we scroll down here, they have all of these deals, and they have loads of cheap products. And they have, for example, categories here that we can check out. I'm not going to go through Temu itself much because this is more about how to make money with Temu. But as you can see, there's all of these different types of categories. There's thousands upon thousands of products that you can purchase from Temu, and they come from overseas and get delivered to you. So how can we actually make money with this? What you want to do is when you get to the Temu website, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. I'm just going to go slowly so you can actually see some of these products and see some of this stuff that they actually sell. That's crazy, 34,000 reviews on this. I actually have this product, this torch right here, and it's extremely powerful and it's very good quality. This is a very good quality product. I use it when I go fishing. And then this watermelon slicer. We can keep going down. We've got these black cards here, which look really good. They're waterproof playing cards. We have this shaving kind of scoop to catch the hair. We have this bathroom protector for toilet edges, I suppose. We have so many different types of products, and we can keep scrolling down, and there's just so many. So when we actually get to the bottom of this, so you want to keep scrolling to the bottom, and it will say affiliate, and you can go see more if you like, but it says affiliate. So we're going to click on this where it says affiliate real quick, and what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this page. And as you can see, it's tracking that I'm in New Zealand, so I could potentially make up to 100,000 New Zealand per month. But if you scroll down, I'll show you kind of what you're going to be getting with this. You can earn up to 20% commissions from this website. I'm going to show you how to get all the traffic and everything soon, but you can earn up to 20% commissions, which is insane. And then anyone can join. You literally there's no wait time or anything. You can join instantly when you sign up. So they don't check anything so there's no approval process or anything like that. You simply join and then you get a link that you can share. And I'm going to show you the back end in a second. And they have over 300,000 people who have joined them as affiliates who are currently making money with them. So you just want to click on sign up and you're logged into your affiliate account. It's going to look like this. So they can actually, they tell you how many people have withdrawn recently. You can withdraw via PayPal and all of your earnings will be here. And then on the right here, there is a link that you can copy. And this is going to be your specific link where you make money from, and you can get up to 20% commissions, or you can get per new user download of the app. So for every user that downloads the app, you will get a $3 reward. So that means that even if they don't make a purchase, you could potentially get $3 per download of the app where people actually download the app. That's actually insane. And so you get all of these rewards as well, which give you a bit more of an incentive to actually go ahead and promote this specific product. But how do you go and promote this, and how do you go and make money promoting the Temu website and app? I'm going to show you right now, because the most important part is now we need to look at how you can get traffic to your affiliate. All right, guys, so I'm going to talk about 2 ways that you can make money with Temu.com. Now, one of them you might prefer more than the other, so make sure you stay tuned. And I want to show you how to make sure you don't get banned doing this. So I'm going to explain to you exactly how to not get banned, because that's important on one of the actual traffic methods. Now, if you actually watch here, I forgot to mention, your referral will get a $100 coupon bundle and a $50 off via the affiliate code. So if you actually have friends or something like that, or when you're actually advertising this link, you could mention that the person who signs up will get a $100 coupon bundle and 50% off via your affiliate link. So that's an incentive for them to sign up through your specific link, because they get those bonuses, okay? So now let's talk about how you can actually go ahead and get the traffic, and I'll talk about traffic method number 1. Traffic method number 1 is you want to go to TikTok and you want to put in the top search bar here, Temu finds. And there is a big trend where people have Temu finds and they promote them on TikTok. Now, don't worry, the next method doesn't involve you actually getting the products, but as you can see, there's lots of people that are doing these Temu finds. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick the first one here, and this is that person's specific profile. And you'll see that that's all they do. They'll go and get products from Temu and they will promote them. Now, I'm not sure if all of these are Temu videos, but if we go and watch this one, I will show you what it's like. It's just a simple 44-second TikTok, which is purchased specific products from Temu, and she's promoting them. Very easy stuff. You can go and check that out. Now, the products are really cheap, so it actually makes it worth it to buy the products and put a little bit of effort into doing a good video. But what I want to do is show you something. Now, you'll see here, this person has a link. You can't go and put your Temu affiliate link straight on your profile. So that's not what they have done. They've got it somewhere else, and I'll show you how to do that. The reason is because you could potentially get banned because it's an affiliate link. It can be classed as spam. So you don't want to put your affiliate link in the profile here. What you want to do is you want to use something like Linktree. And what Linktree does is you can actually put a link into Linktree. See how I have my specific products here? And then you can actually use this as a middleman, or like a bridge page, if you will. So people would click your Linktree first, and then they would go to the Linktree page and then click on your affiliate link. So let me show you how to do that real quick. I'm going to go to add link. I'm going to go back to my Temu affiliate page. I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to put in the URL. And I'm going to go add. As you can see, it's automatically said, click the link to get a $100 coupon bundle. And it did it all automatically for me. So what I do is I go ahead and I get my my link for my Linktree here. And now, as you can see, it shows it on the right side here. And I can turn it off if I like. And then what happens is I get a link from Linktree, so I go share, and I get my Linktree link down here. And this is the link I would be putting on my TikTok. So that's what you'll need to do for that. I'm going to turn this off because I'm not actually going to be promoting this. But that is the first way to go ahead and get traffic, is to make these TikTok videos by buying cheap products from Temu, and then having a TikTok profile and putting your Linktree link in here, or another type of link service, and then having your affiliate link inside Linktree. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you another way to get traffic and make money with Temu. We're going to take this product, for example, which is a rechargeable floodlight torch. If we go to YouTube, for example, we put in the top powerful rechargeable torches, you can see that people are doing reviews on these videos, on these torches, sorry. But you want one where you don't actually have to buy the product. So if we actually go down to here, it says the best rated flashlights on Amazon. That's not the one I wanted, sorry. The top 5 best flashlights on Amazon, and we click that. You'll see that this is a video about torches. Now, I've actually gone and created a video exactly like this using AI, and I'll show you right now. I did not do anything to create this. I literally just told a machine to do it, and I'll tell you what machine in a second. And for some reason, it used David Attenborough's voice. But you can change that. I'll try and find the one. There was one where it was talking about the torch before. Oh, right here. Expected dark moments. Number 4 on our list is the Nighthawk Explorer. Known for its long-lasting battery life. So I told it to give me the best torches from Temu, and it does mention Temu. How did I actually do that? I did it with this software here. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website called invideo.io. I have a link in the description if you want to check that out. You go to InVideo AI and you click on YouTube Video Editor and you create yourself an account. And what you do is you tell it what to do. Now, I've already made a video, but I will tell you what I wrote in. I said, give me a video. This is what I said. I said, give me a video showcasing the top 5 torches from Temu. And then what you do is you click generate video and it goes through and it generates that video for you. And it generated the video that I just showed you, and it's all AI. It takes about 5 minutes to create the video. And then what you can do is you can upload that to YouTube, and then in the description down here, you can put your Temu affiliate link and you could get paid commissions from those videos. Now, how do you actually go ahead and get traffic to your videos? You need to optimize your videos for that. I have lots of videos on my YouTube channel on how to do that, but you could use something like vidIQ, which will do that for you, and it will tell you exactly how to optimize your videos. All right, guys, so that's how you can go ahead and make money on Temu. This is going to go ahead and create this video for me. I'm not going to finish it because it's very simple. It goes and creates a video based on what I gave it, and then you can download that video, and then you can use vidIQ to go and upload it, and then put your Temu affiliate link in the description to make money on Temu. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.